Of the 10 Justice of the Peace courts in Dallas County, 3 carry the brunt of holding examining trials in criminal cases. This is perhaps one of the most important functions of a justice judge. Guaranteed the defendant by law, this hearing is to determine if there's enough evidence to turn the case over to the grand jury, and secondly, to set bond. Recently, J.P. Judge Robert Cole, in whose court the largest load is being carried, called a meeting of defense attorneys and prosecutors to find a way of cutting down the length of these hearings so that the increasing load can be handled quickly. I asked Judge Cole what his suggestions were.
I told them that whereas in the past years we have been filing felony offenses at the rate of about 600 cases per month in this court, the rate has now increased to 900 per month. With the time dedication that we have to the examining trials in this court, we must necessarily decrease the time that is given to examining trials individually in order to keep the percentage of cases that we can hear relatively at the same level that we have in the past.
Now, if you have an abbreviated examining trial between the defense attorney and the prosecutor and yourself, would this not be hampering or denying the defendant his rights as written in under the laws of the state of Texas?
In my opinion, it would not.
On the other hand, defense attorney Jim Martin feels this way about Judge Cole's proposal.
Well, there's no question about the fact that it would deny the defendant rights given him by the legislature of the state of Texas. Now, Judge Cole apparently does not understand the significance and importance of the examining trial. And I just don't know how we're going to make him understand that the purpose of the examining trial is not merely to set bonds. You cannot limit to any specific time for looking into the facts of the case.
Attorney Martin and other members of the Criminal Bar Association feel the best way to give the defendant a speedy and fair examining trial is to have some of these cases assigned to other justice courts. J.P. Cole says that's impractical, mainly because prisoners would have to be transferred back and forth. However, a great many defendants have already had bond set and are out on bail before their examining trial is held. If these cases were assigned to other justice courts in other areas of the county, the caseload would be more equalized. Meanwhile, the controversy continues, the problem remains, and the solution is in compromise. This is Carl Mayo reporting in the Dallas County Courthouse. Where'd you get the idea?
Well, we've got the equipment for concrete pumping, and I didn't have any other way to get something up high enough to bring in the picture, so that's the only thing I could use.
Have you tried this before?
Never.
You think you'll do it again, though?
Every time. Every time. It will work.
Would you advise other people to do such things?
Sure, we sell them also.